Hello everyone. Do you think about to start freelancing of 2024 but you don't know how to be started because no one can tell the secret, even you don't know. So everyone tell the good side of the freelancing but no one can tell the bad side of the freelancing. You are a college student or a student, it is the best time to start freelancing because you pay your college fee or your any fee. So you are a new freelancer, then you have two potential. First, you have a skill, and second thing, you have a communication skill. So skill and communication skill both important of freelancing, because skill you learn but communication skill you learning is on time not to learn. Okay, so you have the communication skill, then it's to be easy to start freelancing. And you are a freelancer, then one tips for you, you have new that time, so you have the ability to the communication skill, then you made more money for out of marketplace. You have the communication skill, then is to be easy because you reach your client of out of marketplace. So how to found your client of out of marketplace? So you just thinking about you make a Fiverr and Upwork account and you thinking about to make money, it's not to 100% sure, it's the 10%. So you are a new freelancer, so yes, you have a Upwork and Fiverr account but not to be dependable. So you found your client out of marketplace like YouTube, LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook and Instagram. It's 5 methods you can learn, and then you reach out your client. Like you are a video editor, so you going your YouTube and search any category like beauty category, fitness category, and collect her mail of bio and mail section and mail your client. That's my name is Deep, I'm from India, I see your video like that is good all thing, some line you can add it, then you tell what problem this video you see and what you do, so all thing can add it. And last, you just add your portfolio and your WhatsApp number or any social media link, so that's can more effectable. Okay, then your client is or any response, then your client convert the Zoom meeting, then the client or this person more believe. Okay, so this is the best thing. So you are a new freelancer, so you have this potential and this quality to reach out your client of out of marketplace. Don't think about the Fiverr and Upwork processing you earn money, and don't see everyone video because everyone telling that's earning and easy to earn of online, but yes, it's not to be possible to earning anything easy. Okay, you give your time of right process, you give your potential of the right process, and you have time, so you don't waste this time of just Fiverr and Upwork thinking about what is going on every day. You check your algorithm, you just see your gig, how many people see your gig, so that's not good. You go out LinkedIn and search all thing your category, video editing, graphics designer, thumbnail maker, web developer, whatever you have skill that time. And most thing, you work your skill, you have the potential your work. Okay, so first of all, one thing you learn, that is your skill. Second thing you have to learn, that is communication skill, and outside marketplace handle the your client. Okay, so this is the most important tips of a new freelancer beginner. I think that it can help you.